Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. The datetime module in Python provides classes for working with dates and times. It includes classes such as datetime, date, time, timedelta, etc. Let's go through a tutorial on how to use the datetime module with code examples. To use the datetime module, you need to import it into your Python script or interactive session. You can create a datetime object to represent a specific date and time. The datetime class takes arguments for year, month, day, hour, minute, second, and microsecond. You can access individual components, year, month, day, hour, minute, second, of a datetime object using attributes. You can format datetime objects as strings using the strftime method and a format string. The datetime module also provides date and time classes for working with dates and times separately. The timedelta class allows you to perform arithmetic with dates and times. This concludes the basic tutorial on using the Python datetime module. You can now work with dates, times, and perform various operations on them using the functionality provided by the datetime module. ChatGPT